Welcome to Jimmyoss, where code meets creativity and legends are built. Today we're building a real-world notes app with advanced features. This is not just another beginner project. It's a full-scale UI built with React Tailwind CSS and Framer Motion. From dark mode toggles, emoji pickers, search filters to local storage persistence. Everything you'll see here is handcrafted. No templates, just skill. Let's explore how each feature comes together to create a seamless experience. The dark mode toggle allows users to switch between themes effortlessly, while the emoji picker adds a playful touch to note-taking. Search filters ensure you find exactly what you need in an instant, and local storage persistence keeps your notes safe for when you return. Now let's dive deeper into the dark mode toggle, which enhances readability during nighttime use. The code behind it involves simple state management with React, allowing users to switch themes with just a click. As we examine the visual transitions, notice how Framer Motion elevates the user experience, creating an immersive interaction every time you toggle modes. This isn't your average sticky notes clone. You'll love the dark mode toggle that beautifully responds to your preferences, making note-taking a visual delight. Type long notes, ideas, and thoughts without limits while bringing your notes to life with the fun and engaging emoji picker. Organize your thoughts effortlessly with optional tags and find anything instantly using the real-time search feature. Pin and unpin notes to prioritize what truly matters and enjoy a smooth fade-out when you clean up your workspace. Easily export your work as .txt or .md files, ensuring you can take your notes with you wherever you go. This application offers a revolutionary way to organize and visualize your ideas, setting it apart from any average sticky notes clone. Experience the convenience of syncing notes across all your devices, making sure your ideas are always at your fingertips. Everything is coded from scratch. No AI builders, no template fluff. You're watching a real dev build a real app the legendary way. If you're into building beautiful tools from the ground up, subscribe, and let's go from dev to digital legend. As the excitement builds, our developer shares insights about each line of code, explaining the logic and creativity behind every feature. Get ready to witness an immersive journey into the world of coding, where passion meets innovation. With every challenge overcome, the sense of achievement grows stronger, and the app begins to take shape. This is where creativity meets functionality, turning ideas into reality. Debugging becomes an adventure in itself as our developer meticulously hunts down errors and fine-tunes the application. Every keystroke brings them one step closer to perfection in the world of coding. Finally, the moment arrives as the app is unveiled to the world. The excitement in the air is palpable, and every ounce of effort culminates in this triumphant launch. As users embrace the app, it starts to create waves across social platforms, drawing in community feedback. Let's kick things off by scaffolding our project using Vite. Super fast, lightweight, and perfect for modern React apps. We'll start by creating the legendary Notes app. First, run the command npm create Vite at latest legendary Notes app template React and navigate into the project folder. After that, install the necessary packages to support the app's features. Now let's install the key packages that will power this app. First, run npm install Tailwind CSS post CSS auto prefixer to set up the styling framework. Next, we'll initialize Tailwind with npx Tailwind CSS init-p, ensuring we have everything ready for a clean and modern design. After setting up Tailwind, we install the Emoji Picker library, which will allow us to add expressive notes. Next, we integrate Framer Motion for smooth animations enhancing user interactions. And finally, we include Lucide React for clean icons that elevate our app's aesthetic. With everything set up, we finalize our project by installing npm install Emoji Picker React Framer Motion Lucide React. These packages will empower our application to be visually appealing and engaging. Tailwind handles styling Emoji Picker, gives us expressive notes. Framer Motion adds smooth animations, and Lucide provides us with clean icons that enhance our user experience. Welcome back, legends! In this part of the video, we're diving straight into the React code. We're starting with the app.jsx file. This is the brain of our front end. First, we're importing useState and useEffect from React. These hooks power the interactivity and memory of our app. We also import motion and animate presence from Framer Motion. These will help us animate notes beautifully later on. Then we bring in icons from Lucide React. Next up, we're working on handling the notes, creating, deleting, and displaying them with Flair. Each note is a little piece of creativity waiting to be animated as it enters our screen. Now let's implement that delete function for our notes, ensuring users can easily manage their creations. A simple swipe will do. Watch the notes gracefully fade away, just like that. We're adding some fun effects on the Emoji Picker to make selecting emotions even more engaging. Each emoji adds a splash of personality to every note, making the app feel lively. As we refine our code, we'll test everything in real time. Now we build the add note function, the heart of capturing thoughts. When you type a note and hit add, it gets saved at the top, newest first. We generate a unique ID using date.now, attach the note text and an optional tag. The set notes function updates the state, and we clear the input so it's ready for the next idea. Every note is stored in local storage, meaning even after refresh, your ideas remain. We're also toggling dark mode and syncing it to local storage so your preference sticks. Simple, efficient, and responsive. We're not just building an app, we're building muscle memory for real-world projects. As we refine the add note function, users will enjoy an intuitive experience that makes jotting down ideas effortless. Each note crafted is not just a simple entry, it's a piece of creativity that finds its place in the digital world. The latest thoughts appear prominently, making sure no idea is lost in the shuffle. With local storage ensuring that everything is saved, users can return to their notes anytime without worry. Adjusting to dark mode enhances comfort for late-night brainstorming sessions, making the app not just functional, but a partner in creativity. Let's take our notes to the next level by making them more organized and expressive. We start by adding an optional tag field. This helps users sort notes by topic, vibe, or category, like ideas or study. Below that, we add a search bar. This lets users find notes by content or tag, instantly filtering everything on the page. Now for a little delight. We're integrating an emoji picker using Emoji Picker React. With one click, users can add emojis to their notes. It's fun, it's fast, and honestly, it just makes the app feel alive. And yes, everything is still being stored in local storage, so even if the browser crashes, their thoughts are safe. Little details like this make your UI feel thoughtful, not rushed. As we look at this streamlined design allows users to adapt their workspace to fit their needs, whether on the go or at home. The mobile experience is crafted for ease, ensuring notes are accessible in any environment. Users can easily switch between light and dark mode, reflecting their personal preferences and enhancing their comfort while working. These thoughtful enhancements transform how users interact with their notes, making it more than just a simple app. It's an essential companion for creativity and productivity. Now it's time to polish the experience, not just for developers, but for real users. First, we're adding export buttons. With one click, users can download all their notes as .txt or .md, whether they're journaling, writing a script, or planning a project. This lets them take their thoughts with them anywhere. Next up, dark mode toggle. It's not just a trend, it's accessibility, preference, and comfort. We also added smooth transitions, subtle hover states, and emoji reactions to keep the experience engaging. Everything responds fast, adapts cleanly, and feels native. All powered by just React plus Tailwind plus LocalStorage. These are the little things that separate just another Notes app from a project worth using and sharing. Some notes matter more than others, so now we introduce pinning. With one tap, a note moves straight to the top of your list, even after refresh. It's perfect for to-dos, reminders, or anything you want front and center. Unpinning. Same energy. Just one click, and it rejoins the rest. This kind of feature might seem small, but it's what transforms a casual tool into a personal system. It's not just about writing code. It's about solving real problems with intention. When users feel control over how they see and sort their information, they stay longer, they trust more, and they share your app. That's product thinking. That's polish. In this journey of improving user experience, every small feature contributes to a larger vision, making everyday tasks simpler and more effective. Embracing user feedback creates a cycle of continuous improvement, ensuring the app evolves alongside its users' needs. Each enhancement is a step towards a more intuitive experience where users can navigate their tasks effortlessly. This dedication to refining the app empowers users, allowing them to shape their productivity in ways that resonate with their lifestyle. Let's finish strong by cleaning up the UI. We trim any unused imports, tidy the layout, and give the interface a final polish. Code comments are added for clarity, because this isn't just for us. It's for every developer that might use or learn from this app. A project feels complete, not when it runs, but when it's refined. That's what we just did. With each line of code we revised, we ensured that this application is not only functional, but also a joy to navigate. The attention to detail transforms the user experience, setting a standard for future developers. As we wrap up, every adjustment we made stands as a proud example of our commitment to excellence. The team gathers to celebrate, sharing ideas and feedback on how to further enhance this project. Each member feels the pride of their contribution, knowing that their collective effort has brought this vision to life. Together, we've transformed an idea into a polished product ready for users. As we review our accomplishments, each completed task on our digital board tells the story of our hard work and dedication. The presentation highlights everything we've built, emphasizing not just the end product, but the collaborative effort that made it possible and inspiring the next wave of innovation. In under 2 hours, you built a fully functional note-taking app with features like dark mode, pin, unpin functionality, an emoji picker, exports, tag search, and local storage persistence. This isn't a toy. This is a real product, and you built it from scratch. With each passing minute, your vision comes to life, transforming lines of code into a seamless user experience that empowers others to organize their thoughts. You can practically feel the satisfaction of having created something meaningful. As you demonstrate your creation to friends, their excitement is contagious. They eagerly explore features like the emoji picker and tag search, praising the simplicity and functionality of the app. Late into the night, with the glow of your screen lighting up the room, you reflect on the journey of creation, knowing that each decision made along the way has shaped this remarkable tool. Excitement fills the room as friends gather around, eagerly discussing the app and its features, while your heart swells with pride knowing you brought this idea to life. Building full-stack projects isn't about frameworks. It's about thinking like a builder. Every feature you saw, it solves a user problem. Every layout choice designed to feel intentional. That's what I teach here. Not just code, but creative development. If this helped you, hit that subscribe droppy emoji in the comments and let me know what you're building next. Want the backend next? I'm already working on it. This is Jimmyoss. I build solo, I post raw, and I teach like a legend. From code to content, it all starts here. Subscribe, share the fire, and I'll see you in the next one. In this journey of building full-stack projects, every line of code becomes a stepping stone towards solving real problems. The environment where ideas flow freely inspires creativity and enhances the development process. It's not just about the technical skills. It's about embracing the mindset of a builder. Each project tells a story of intention and purpose, leading to better solutions for users. Join me as we explore innovative methods and share insights on your next big venture. Remember to keep that fire alive and stay tuned for more.